would like to welcome you to Train Sim World, my first Train Sim World video of this. It is the 16th of August, so Train Sim 2020 out is been out for a day now. This is not my first look, unfortunately. I just made sure that stuff was the same. I do indeed feel the rush. Unfortunately, you can't do freight, because you need the British Rail freight add-on pack, which I don't have. Press any button to acknowledge. I think we'll do a Tees Valley line. No, I don't think we'll do Tees Valley line. You can switch to diorama. Ah, so you can choose. Nice. I think we'll do a Northern Transpennine service. Go and see what there is to do. That's the only sort of short one. I don't want to make this too long for you all. Long Island. Where's the egg? Ah, we'll do a HST. I think we'll do 1 Charlie 04, and I'll tell you where that stops at as well. Yes, I'd like to thank you all who subscribed when I did a Devon video. I would just like to let you know that it won't happen for at least another year, because that was when I was on holiday. So, yeah. Charlie 04. Doesn't matter. Right, the next Penzance, Charlie 86, which is the at Old Oak 2 LP, which does the Morton in Marsh. So you know what, I'll do that with the Morton in Marsh. 5 Whiskey 3-2. Old Oak Common Depot to London Paddington. The Xbox controller that I'm going to be using today, just my General White. This may be a little bit shaky as I move about today, just because I don't really have a proper setup for gaming, and this is the best that I could sort of do. I'll probably, I'll crop it down, because at the minute I can see my TV and me thing. I'll just crop it down so the screen is just there all the way through. I'm sure I can do that. If I can't, iMovie. I blame it. If people were wondering what the video DRS 37401 was, it is my channel trailer. I am gonna, as I've only got a few videos, it doesn't look like Richard Chalkland's or anyone sort of good anyway. I'll see what this is like. You're just close up. Right. Here it goes. So God, this is gonna be difficult. Gotta have your DSD. and your AWS. It should be daylight markers. With the new with the new point system, it's rather good. Like I've got I get more if I keep to the speed limit. Unfortunately, it's Old Common Depot. No one keeps the speed limit. So I have done about, I would say, 30 in Old Common today. Let's see if I can continue to do that. I would quite like the odd 57, and we do the Night Riviera to the 2345 that would go to Penzance. I would quite like to do that to what's it called? Oh, 40. At least they actually work on this. If you put your AWS on your DSD, on now that's where all the HSDs should be. Actually, no, half of them should be 4-car sets. Ooh, could have had to stop there. Ah, damn it, brake pressure. You kill me. What? And I've missed an AWS call. So this is where I'll wait. It's even in reverse. Brake override. Problem is I had a brake demand and didn't use it. Let's see what else is out here. I saw a HST go before. So yeah, with the new Train Sim World, they haven't fixed any of the problems in that they did in 2019. That they had in just basically Train Sim World before we went on. Just thingy. I mean, they should have really taken out Old Common Depot and had North Pole in the 802s by now. I mean, it's taking them, what, 2 years or so? I mean, 2 years. 2 years. I mean, come on. Nope. Good, the brake pressure's back down. So now we can start moving in, but we're not going to go anything above the speed limit, I don't think, over here, because I've only got 400 yards I've got to run. All I have to do is go up to the signal. No, it's 15. I should get AP points for that. Ah, 1512 and then load passengers. HST about to pass. Which is what we want. Once again, this is a trial run. I know it's shaky. Ah, this is much better because I've got it implanted onto my bed. Oh. Junction. Yes, I'm just in a HST Icely, if you don't know what one of them is. Well, you're not a proper train spotter. Ooh. Actually focused. Sorry about the ill focus of this camera. It's a 4K. It'll be put out in 4K, so it won't work. Oh, because the amps aren't going through. So yes, this is 5 Whiskey 3-2, which will make the Morton and Marsh service out of Old Oak. To be honest with you, just for clearing my AWS and my... So it's a massive downhill into Paddington for our last sort of hurrah. Into Paddington. I believe we go on to platform 0. Sorry, platform 1. Because the Morton Marsh goes off of platform 1 because the last time because I've already done this. The last one of these that I did, I was going into platform 1. I might not be, but it depends. Oh, I'm now over the speed limit. I've got to get down to 25 quite quickly. Now this, on your right, is what the Azumas have. Your yards, your signal and the lot. I know it's slow for now, but in 500 yards... I've got a 40 that goes to a 25. Yep, platform 0. Also, a quick panel, if you know what I mean. Do you want parts of videos, or do you want full videos? Because I know for my Wensleydale Railway Diesel Gala, I did post it straight off of iMovie, which, you know, limits me to 15 minutes. And recently I did put out a 16-minute one, which was my trains at Exeter St David's, which was the last one in Exeter. It'll be the only one that I do in Exeter. But there is also, there is that as well. Exeter St David's is a great station, I do recommend it. And we did see Exeter Depot movements as well. Good, objective complete. Oh, I've changed it. Unlock. Ah. That's good. Right, what I'll do is... boop. And... boop. No, it didn't really work. I'm gonna have to lock them in a minute, but I really don't like to lock them. Door's locked. So yes, that was good. Thank you very much for watching. DRS 37401 signing out.